We are very few of us. I wish I could have accommodated you on stage, but, but doesn't matter. So MC is getting ready, and I think she will formally introduce all the speakers to you. But let me start interacting with you. Since we are all a very cozy bunch of people, I'll just step down and talk to all of you. So in our day-to-day lives, we hear the word data so many times. How many times do we hear the word?
I hear it at least once every 5 minutes.
Okay, once every 5 minutes. I hear it for 50 times at least in a day. What about you? Same, 50 times. Whenever you watch a television, whether it is an investment channel, तो आता ही रहता है data, 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 data. So it's a very interesting topic. So some people feel it's an interesting topic. Others feel it's a very complex topic. If you look at it from business angle, it is very interesting because you can make money out of it. But if you look at it from technical angle, it's very complex. But we are all business people, and we need not know everything. Hey, jeweler has a feeling because he has been doing everything by himself. He thinks I know everything. But there is so much of talent available outside our industry at cross-pollination is the way to progress. But there are some proactive jewelers who are adopting this medium wholeheartedly, and they have got results also. So data is the new oil. How many of you have heard data is the new oil? Please raise your hands. What does it mean, Tejpal ji?
How you cannot survive without oil, you can't survive without data.
Great. How about you? Data is the new oil का मतलब क्या है? सुना है कि नहीं सुना है आपने कभी? नहीं सुना तो कोई बात नहीं. आज सुन लो. Okay. So there is a origin story why data is the new oil. See, it so happened that this word was used for the first time in 1995 by a guy named Clive Humby. He's a English consultant who specializes in data analytics. And he's actually a father of data analytics. So what happened was his team did a lot of research on Tesco, and they developed a module, CRM module, and they launched a Tesco club card. It was way back in 94, and they had a lot of meetings, and in the final meeting, the chairman of Tesco came, and what he said was, "Oh my God, in 3 months' time, you know so much about my customers, and it has taken me 30 years. So you can imagine the speed. 3 साल कहाँ और 30 साल कहाँ, 3 महीने कहाँ और 30 साल कहाँ. So that is about data. And why it is compared to oil? So when Clive Humby said data is the new oil, data and oil are useless unless they are refined. So when you extract crude, it has to be processed. It has to be refined. And once it is refined, it is converted to plastic, gases, or chemicals, and then its value increases and profit increases. Similarly, data also has to be refined. And first of all, it is collected, it is refined. And the kind of information it throws up, immense. So oil is a natural resource, and it is getting scarce. But data is in abundance. सब अपने हाथ में है. So data, but not many people realize what is the value of data. Okay, that is one. Then if you see, oil changed the fortunes of global economy. It changed the transportation industry. And today, data is also changing the face of transportation. ये आप जो बोलते हैं autonomous car क्या है? Data. Then lot of people invest money. You must have heard about FANG stocks, US market में Nasdaq पे, FAANG. Facebook, Apple, बोलो, Amazon, Netflix, Google, all FANG stocks. So all these FANG stocks, उसका जो value है, market capitalization is the maximum. And globally, if you see, there are 9 companies which are richest in the world. So 9 companies are there, 3 are from China and 6 are from America. So if you want to remember, G Mafia, G is from Google, M for Microsoft, A for Apple, F for Facebook, I for IBM, and A for Amazon again. G Mafia and BAT. B is Baidu, Apple and Tencent. ये 9 कंपनीज पूरे 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 जहां पे राज कर रही है, and it is data. So I'll relate to my personal experience before we invite all of you on stage. By that time, I think she would be ready. Even if she's not ready, it doesn't matter. So what happened was, I'm fond of watching movies. And due to COVID, rate of watching movies has even gone. And what happens, we always exchange ideas. Which movie have you seen? So I had not only watched Hindi movies, but I watched Malayalam movies, Tamil movies, English, and Italian, French, all sorts of movies I watch. So there was one particular movie in Malayalam, and I had watched it in 2016, but I had forgotten. And the story was fresh in my mind. The characters were very fresh in my mind, but name, because I'm not a Malayali, the name somehow I had forgotten. So I was scratching my head. कहाँ से नालूं? मेरे को सिर्फ मालूम था कि the main actor was Mammootty's son. So I watched 2-3 more movies of Dulquer Salman, and like magic, the similar movies in which he had acted popped up, and one of them was Kamati Padam. I said, this is the movie I want to watch again. So data is, whether you're a professional or a personal level, data is something which is immensely valuable to all of us. So with this perspective, now I will ask the lady, can you please introduce the speakers? Are you ready? Yeah, please. You can climb,
Check.
no problem.